Right into this world, all alone.
Hey.
Yo.
Are you dry?
Like the Mojave vagina.
What's the stress?
Mess in a box.
I cleaned some shit out there before the baby came home. Just a bunch of old t-shirts, funky underwear.
Oh, I'm so sorry, honey. I hope it wasn't anything important.
What are you looking for?
An old Harley manual. Hard to find.
Sorry.
What a charade. Both of them know they're lying to each other.
You're one of Luann's girls.
Lila.
Opie.
I know. Can you get me the number for a cab?
Going to the studio?
Well, I have to get him to school first.
Are you checking out other women already? Good God, Donna's not even cold yet.
And this problem?
On their way to being a footnote.
I bet. That's why there are 7 seasons. Prick!
You want us outside?
Oh, if you don't mind.
I don't need startup.
But you're gonna need protection. We start slow. Grand. First every month. Welcome to Charming.
Where the customer is king. Lovely town.
You, let's go.
Whoa, what's going on here? You want to take out Otto?
Beating was from the league. This is from me.
Not his healthy eye. Oh.
That's Sam Crow blowing up a private residence. Arson. Vigilantism.
Not taking anything to the DA that doesn't have legs.
Why don't you try both these legs on? See how they feel.
Teamwork, David. We all want the same thing.
But for different reasons. And that's the problem. Oh, isn't that... Yeah, it is. Get her! Take out your gun. Oh, that's a gun. Ah, she will get you. So you better wipe... What the fuck?
You son of a bitch.
What do you want?
You're so hell-bent on burning us. You keep getting in bed with the devil. Happened with Stahl, now it's happening with Zobel.
Get out.
I love how he just waltzed in here. As if Hale's working for them.
Would you excuse me, Charles?
Hey, Daddy.
Daddy, of course. Oh, I can't wait for these people to die. And then always that smug smiling.
You know why I was carrying that gun a few months ago?
The Fed. Raped you?
It almost went there. I was able to stop him.
Does Jax know?
I had to tell someone. I knew it would eat me up if I didn't.
What did Jax do?
He cleaned up. Because that's what he does. Why are you still sitting here? Go and tell him. So he once again can clean up.
A shrink?
You're gonna talk to her. Or I'm gonna tell
No.
Hale you assaulted me. Throw your crazy ass in jail.
I don't want to waste my time with that. Neither does she.
We move on this Zobel shit right away.
Things go like they have. Jax is gonna go a different way.
I ain't gonna let Jax or nobody else stop us from what we gotta do.
Retaliation is what we do.
Yeah.
He's getting colder with every episode.
You old enough to watch this shit, Piney?
Hired him. Security.
Make the girls feel safe.
Yeah. Bastard.
How's Tara doing? I heard that Gemma clocked her and broke her nose or something.
Jesus Christ.
It never ends, does it?
I know your guy is part of the motorcycle gang.
Club. It's a motorcycle club.
Right.
I'm sure it is.
Club doesn't become a problem.
Your personal life has nothing to do with the hospital.
When that personal life hits you in the face hard enough, can't help but impact your work. And then it does become the hospital's problem.
Your face represents this hospital, and right now it doesn't do a good job.
Are you Dr.
That's
Mo's friend?
That's encouraging.
No.
Shit. Watch this.
Shit.
Oh.
Get off.
You gentlemen got something to
What
say?
the hell are you doing? Street brawl ain't the answer, Ope. Use your hand.
Oh, now it's on.
Get up!
Luckily, the achiever is present and can testify that the clown started it.
You accusing me of being in someone's pocket, you hypocrite son of a bitch. You've been on Clay's tit since you were a goddamn uni.
Why do you think I chose you for my second? A single-minded, self-righteous pain in the ass. You're the good guy. I need you to stay that way. About a month ago, I found Gemma Teller. Beaten and raped. Made a promise to Gemma to keep the dirty secret.
You just broke that promise,
Same
dude.
promise you just made.
Oh, I must have missed that. Why did they arrest Clay? He didn't do anything.
Thanks.
Clay, Jax, need a minute.
I hope he doesn't want to tell them right away.
You guys running surveillance on us?
Not me. Zobel. Got footage from a security camera. That's Obi.
I think he just shows his side.
Hey, doing okay? How's the nose?
Never mind that. Why is she just sitting here in her work clothes? I mean, don't these doctors usually change?
My dad wrote this before he died. It's his vision for the club. What went wrong and how to save it. I'm gonna get us out of all of those things that you're afraid of. You stay with me, I promise. You'll find your place.
Sounds too good to be true. Or to become true.
And I would never put a member of this club at risk. But we underestimated Zabel, the League's reach. If we don't act now, it's gonna be a sign of weakness. Retaliation must be harsh and immediate.
And how do you want to retaliate? Some details would be nice.
Retaliation is undisputable. But if we do it now, we're doing it half blind. He expects us to retaliate. He wants it. We gotta wait. Due diligence. Learn.
I mean, how can you disagree with that?
Immediate retaliation. Yay.
Absolutely. Yay.
Don't feel right. So no. Yay.
Nay.
Yay.
Why? You little idiot.
4-2. Where you at, brother?
Smart vote. Nay.
4-4.
All right, all set. Next time, pull over. Call us.
Or you can call me.
Burn that card. And take care of your kids, goddammit.
Maybe you were right about your boy. He's more and more like his old man. I keep trying to bring him close, you know. Keep losing.
You should just start using reason. I mean, you can't really think this blind action would have been the best decision. for? Is that blood? Okay. Blind action it is. Just go to Zobel's little shop, masked, and blow his brains out. That should take care of it. The other clowns are not smart enough to do anything without him.